to see that amount of damage, residential damage, the number of trees, large trees that have been destroyed, the damage to the Outback Steakhouse, the hotels along Gloucester Street there, and fortunately realized that the injuries and loss of life were so few.
We have approximately 100 Mississippi Army National Guardsmen, primarily from the 155th Brigade Combat Team, which is home stationed here in Tupelo, supported by our aviation facility also in Tupelo. Those soldiers are providing security, traffic control, and assistance to our local law enforcement partners here in Lee County and the surrounding area.
We've been out here today, TCP set up, just trying to keep traffic, non-residential traffic out, also up around assisting the civilians, move logs, help them get out for the senior citizens, and do anything we can. Anytime there's a natural disaster, you know, we don't want to have to be a part of that, but it's what we signed up for, being the guards, what we do. We're just glad to be here and do our part for the community.
Well, helping out the community is a big part of what we do. We've had community has been coming out here and helping us a lot as well. They brought out free food. They've you know, asked if we needed water and stuff like that. So it's been a big blessing to see how the community comes together in situations like this. Makes our job a lot easier.